What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Pepe fam, I am back with another video for you guys. Pepe kind of cooling off, man. A lot of rocky turbulence in the markets right now, so Pepe is being affected. Bitcoin having a rough time, man. These past days have been very rough for Bitcoin and the rest of the market, so Pepe is affected. It's retracing right now. Again, guys, I'm telling you, Pepe drops to a certain level of market cap, I'm gonna be taking a load. I'm gonna be asking friends and family. I'm gonna do everything I can to scoop up a huge bag of Pepe if it ever drops to like 100 mil or 200 million in market cap, because I'm not gonna miss this meme coin ride going into the bull cycle. And I know for like my instinct, every fiber of my being is telling me that come the bull cycle, whenever that takes place, Pepe is going to be one of the biggest runners for the bull cycle, right? You know, as far as meme coins go. And we already know how much retail loves meme coins, right? Saw in the last bull cycle what shiba did, what Doge did, and not just those two. Kishu, Akita, Feg, Dogelan, Poly Doge, Baby Doge, Floki. So many meme coins absolutely went on a tear in the last bull cycle, and that's why I really think you know, come the next bull cycle, Pepe is already on the, you know, a lot of tier ones. Coinbase still lacking that Coinbase listing. I think that'll happen before we know it, when the Coinbase listing does happen, but it's on the tier ones that matter, right, so far. And you never know if it gets all the way to Robinhood with enough hype and attention. Okay, there's a huge community around Pepe. Everyone's talking about it. I think majority of people got some exposure to it, because no other project did what Pepe did. Like, went to 1 billion market cap in like 2 weeks. Man, right? And I think, like I said, I really do believe it's gonna keep crushing it like that and shock everyone going into the bull cycle. Or maybe the writing is on the wall that people already know, hey, this project is gonna crush it, so, you know, let me get some exposure to it. 100x from here for Pepe, I really think that is very possible, guys. We're gonna dive into it. Got some articles that I have pulled up for you guys about Pepe in this one. If you hold the project, or this is your first time hearing about the project, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Pepe and myself will be in the description, guys. Blow this video up, make it go viral, share it with your friends and family, and go support the previous videos that I made on Pepe on the channel. So right now we're sitting at $427 million in market cap for Pepe. A very good entry if you ask me, right? A very good entry. 93% circulated, $66.7 million in 24-hour trade volume, up 32%. Like I said, listed on a lot of exchanges that matter: Binance, Kraken, Gemini, BitThumb, Crypto.com, right? Huobi, OKX, right? A lot of the tier 1 exchanges that matter. The only thing that's lacking is Coinbase. But like I said, I really do believe Coinbase is gonna happen sooner than we think, man. Eventually, we're gonna get a meme coin craze again. Pepe is gonna start going parabolic once again, and you'll see that Coinbase listing happen during a hype phase, which probably pushes it up to like 5 billion, 10 billion in market cap to match like Shiba Inu's market cap, right? Right now, Shiba Inu is at what? 4.7. Yeah, so that's a 10x from here. Yeah, that is around a 10x. That is a 10x, right? Yeah, 4. Yeah, that's around a 10x from here for Pepe to get to Shiba Inu's market cap. And I think with Coinbase and another meme coin craze, that's when you'll see Pepe get to the levels of Shiba. But a Pepe whale Machi Big Brother accumulates millions of tokens, right? Going through the article, they didn't have like a full breakdown like the previous video that when I covered it in a previous video. But the Machi Big Brother.eth, right? That's their ENS name. They bought around $533,000 worth of Pepe recently, right? And I think this was in my video right here, right? This video that I made a day ago, which is a great sign. You always got to follow the money in the space, man. I remember, like, you know, when it was Shiba's moment, where whales were buying like millions of dollars worth of Shiba constantly, like over and over, like just millions and millions of dollars of Shiba. And you could see shades of that happening with Pepe, where the I think I made a video recently, not recently, but like a week or so back, where someone bought like $2 million worth of Pepe, $1 million worth of Pepe. And then recently with Machi Big Brother, another like this person or this company is buying $533,000 of Pepe, man. Insane. And look at here, right? Look at this from Binance.com. Binance feed is talking about Pepe. Pepe coin versus Dogecoin. Could it dethrone Dogecoin? This is super amazing news that Binance.com, the Binance feed, you know, a place where people, or I think people that work at Binance since 2018, people that work at Binance make articles on things that are happening in the crypto space on the official Binance.com site, right? And here we have an article where Pepe is getting put into the ringer against Dogecoin. Could it dethrone Dogecoin, right? This is some bullish news right here, so I had to bring this article to you guys. Both Pepe and Doge have made noise in the crypto world, but recent moves by Pepe coin have got everyone wondering if it might challenge Dogecoin's throne. Let's dive in. Both Pepe and Doge have made noise in the crypto world, but recent moves by Pepe coin have got everyone wondering if it might challenge Dogecoin's throne. Let's dive in. Pepe versus Dogecoin. Could it dethrone Dogecoin? What? This is so bullish. New entry, Pepe coins. A few months ago, Pepe's value skyrocketed, making some rich and others not so much. Pepe, a froggy token on Ethereum, hopped into the top 100 coins, actually ranked 77 on CoinMarketCap. Some thought it was a classic crypto pump and dump, but now it looks like a serious Dogecoin rival. Pepe was the star of the Ethereum meme coin scene since in May 2023. As it peaks, its value was 13.8% of Dogecoins, but then it slid. It made big moves thanks to exchange listings and Dogecoin, the OG meme coin. Dogecoin has been the big dog, pun intended, for years. Made in 2013 by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, Dogecoin keep creating new coins forever. Copycats like Shiba Inu and Floki tried to take its place but didn't last long. Even though Shiba Inu briefly overtook Doge in value in October 2021, Dogecoin clawed its way back. The big question, will Pepe overtake Dogecoin? The buzz around Pepe matched Doge's in early May, but then it quieted down. On Google, Dogecoin is searched 7 to 8 times more than Pepe coin. Pepe has some perks like being on ETH and having a set number of coins, but Dogecoin has been here for over 8 years and has a big network. Final thoughts, both Pepe and Doge have their strengths. Dogecoin has history on its side while Pepe coin has recent hype. Whether Pepe coin will ever surpass Dogecoin is up in the air, but the meme coin world is always full of surprises. Always be careful and do your own research before you invest in any crypto. Now look at that, guys. Great read, by the way. You know, nice, short, to the point. And we got it right here. Binance feed from Reg. Binance since 2018, guys. That is super bullish, man. I'm telling you. CZ is probably bullish on Pepe. You see how fast CZ listed Pepe? Remember when they had that Twitter Spaces, people were talking to CZ about listing Pepe, and then he said, well, you know, typically when we list projects, CZ said, well, I like this when I'm looking for projects. I like when the full supply is basically out, because if there's a lot of coins to still be added to circulation, it could cause the price for the project to go down a lot more, right? Because of inflation, obviously. And after we saw that Twitter Spaces, right, people were speculating constantly, and then boom, Pepe got listed on Binance. CZ listed Pepe. I still think CZ's bullish on Pepe, man. And going into the bull cycle, you never know what crazy stuff could happen. Just like how there was speculation that Scam Bankman-Fried, was one of the reasons why Shiba Inu made such a crazy pump. One of the reasons, not the only reason. You never know if CZ could put a ton of support into Pepe going into the bull cycle to attract new retail investors, because there is this theory that meme coins are the reason we get new retail into the space. Meme coins are the entry project for retail investors to come to crypto, right? When they see like people getting rich off meme coins, that instantly inspires them to take a look at crypto and start researching, start investing. So Pepe could be that entry project. Just like in the last cycle we had Doge and SHIB, this cycle the entry project could be Pepe. Pepe prices hit hard by rocky cryptocurrency market. Yeah, man, it's been crazy. These few days have been crazy. Meme coins like Pepe and even Doge were hit hard by the latest market crash. Pepe's price slipped 26% over the past month, while SHIB's weekly performance was in the red zone at minus 19%. A significant bearish flag was triggered on SHIB's daily chart during the past week. Things have been rocky in the cryptocurrency market, and meme coins like Pepe have been hit especially hard. Between April and May of this year, the rapid substantial increase in value of Pepe led us to market capitalization peak noteworthy 1.6 billion in a short period of time. Unfortunately, this is not the case anymore. So Pepe's price still down more than 18% over the past week, and it slipped 26% over the past month of trading, especially with the market tanking the way it did, guys. From a technical standpoint, Pepe was trading just below the 9 MA line on its daily chart. If it succeeds in breaking above the technical indicator, it may flip to that 129 mark. Let's get this ad out. Can I get the image up? Okay, let me open the image in a new tab. So right here, if we could break this resistance at 129, we could see 19 once again for Pepe. And you already know when things start to get green and bullish, that's when you see people start to FOMO in. So overall, that'd be great. But meanwhile, things are not looking that much better for SHIB. Bearish flag for SHIB. Same thing here, man. The bearish thesis will be invalidated if SHIB breaks out. And then we got a disclaimer. But yeah, man, it's this past week, man. Evergrande, Elon dumping. Billions of dollars being liquidated in the space. Not been great. Not been a great, past few days for crypto at all, right? So Pepe obviously being affected by that. I say this is when you start to like DCA, man. The lower the prices go for Pepe, the better your entries for, when we start getting moved to the upside, in my opinion. So obviously, don't break the bank on Pepe because it's still a meme coin at the end of the day. But I think it holds up as as it's going to be the top meme coin for the next bull cycle, in my opinion, right? I think Pepe is going to be the top one for the next bull cycle. So you just get your exposure, get a bag that you're happy with. Don't break the bank, obviously. Never invest more than you're willing to lose in crypto. And just sit and wait until the bull cycle and all that hype arises, and then you got Jimmy down the street asking you about Pepe, right? When Jimmy's asking you about Pepe, like, how do I buy Pepe? That's when you start selling, right? That's when you start taking profits, man. But yeah, guys, Pepe fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Pepe is one of those ones you just can't ignore. So I'm telling you guys, help support content creators so we can spread awareness of the project. Share this video with your friends and family. Let's take over the space together. Thank y'all so much once again for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.